Hello foodies, today we are back with another recipe. This time we decided to go with something a little lighter. So let's get started with the ingredients. So first of all, you're going to be needing 4 cups of orange lentils. And what you're going to do is just soak these in water for at least half an hour. Then for the spices, you need 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. You will also need 3 cloves of garlic, which have been thinly sliced, as well as 3 green chillies. Then for the topping or the baghar, you're going to need 2 onions thinly sliced, 6 whole red chilies, as well as 3 more garlic cloves. And we're going to be using about a cup of desi ghee. So let's get started with the cooking. You're going to put in about half a cup of cooking oil and your soaked lentils, as well as I've left about half a cup of water in there. What we're going to do is first, we're going to cook the water out of the lentils, only using a little bit of water. What this is going to do is that it's going to break down the lentils, making it quicker to cook, which essentially means that it's going to take less time to prepare the entire dish. So I'm just going to keep on giving it a mix, and you want to keep this on medium heat and mix it throughout, and then you will see that the lentils really start to break down within 10 to 15 minutes. So it really cuts down on the overall cooking time. Then you're going to add in about 3 to 4 cups of water. This also depends on how thick or thin you like your dal or lentil soup. I like it a medium consistency, so I put in about 3 cups of water, and then I'm going to add in all of my spices as well as the 3 cloves of garlic and the green chilies. And then on medium-high heat, after mixing everything together, I'm just gonna let that go until I'm happy with the consistency and the rest of the lentils are cooked. This takes about 20 to 25 minutes. And until you're happy, that's what it should look like. See how all the lentils have now been fully cooked, and I like a medium consistency, not too thick, not too thin. So then after that, I'm going to take a frying pan, and in that I'm going to heat up my desi ghee. Once that's heated up, I'm going to be adding in my onions. You want to make sure that your onions are thinly sliced to make sure that the cooking is even. And I'm also going to be doing this on a medium heat, because if I put the heat too high, then I could burn the onions without cooking them fully. Once the onions are halfway browned, I'm going to be adding in the garlic. You do not want to add the garlic in the beginning, otherwise you will end up with burnt garlic. Once the onions are basically brown and I'm almost done with the baghar, I'm going to be adding in the red chilies. You do not want to add these in before because they could splatter on you. And then simply you're going to put the baghar on top of the lentils, and this is the best part. Honestly, this is what really makes the entire dish super delicious. And then I would highly suggest serving this with a type of salad, so you can do like a pico de gallo kind of thing where onions, tomatoes, green chilies, and lemon. Serve it with rice, roti, naan, or eat it as is. It's an amazing dish. I hope you guys enjoy this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one.